Meet Antonio. Antonio owns a fruit packing house. His facility produces tons of agricultural waste, and almost all of it ends up in landfills. One day, Antonio receives a letter from the waste disposal company. It informs him that waste removal costs are about to rise significantly, to a price that could make his business unprofitable. And Antonio is not alone. Globally, almost half of all agricultural produce is lost or wasted along the production chain.
Meet Fruit-OH,
An agri-tech company introducing an innovative recycling system that can process agricultural waste and convert it into 4 new revenue streams for farmers. Bioethanol, used as a fuel additive. Wood fiber pellets, distilled water, and CO2 gas. This creates a circular economy model where recycled outputs return to the same industry as green energy sources and reusable raw materials, and qualifies for carbon certificates. Fruit-OH, turning waste into energy.